Hey everyone, I hope you guys are all doing okay today. Staying healthy, staying positive about what's to come, what's new, what's next for your life. I hate that there's so much negativity going on in the world. It's like as if you don't already have enough going on. Like no matter who you are, you know, we all are dealing with our own individual problems, issues, struggles, goals, whatever it is that you have going on, you know, and the last thing you want to do is be someone that's out here being mean and nasty and negative, making other people's lives harder. Like, we're all here to just be helping one another, helping each other. And so I just hope everyone is staying positive, staying optimistic, no matter what is going on in your life. You just can't lose focus, can't lose sight of who you are as a person, how you want to be represented in this world. The least you could do is be kind, you know, just be kind, be nicer to people, because you never know what someone is going through instead of toxic, okay? Hopefully you guys can see me. It's gloomy out right now. I wear long sleeves like all throughout the year. I dress in all black all throughout the year, but I've been watching all of these scary movies, and I love like scary movies and thrillers anyway. So even just whenever, no matter what the time of the year is, I'm always watching like scary movies, my go-to. But today I'm about to go down to the gym. We're not gonna do too much. You guys already know we're not doing too much. I'm doing yoga. The type of yoga that I like to practice is Hatha yoga, which just like focuses on you pushing yourself to be more flexible. So there's a lot of different categories of yoga, but I like doing Hatha yoga, which focuses on just quieting your mind, pushing yourself to be like as flexible as you can be. You really want to hold these poses that you're doing. So I'm going to bring you guys down to the gym with me so you can see, but they're very light stretches, nothing too crazy. Really good for beginners, even if you're just starting out. I just love that it challenges you to just like really quiet your mind, focus, push yourself, you know, and then also just channeling that energy. So I just love doing this type of yoga. Not only am I pushing myself to be more flexible and slowing my breathing down, I'm also taking that time, like I said, to really just quiet my mind and meditate at the same time. I like putting meditation on, so either I'm listening to like Abraham Hicks, who I love, or I'm listening to meditation music, spa music. You guys know I'm an esthetician, so love spa music. Is super just like calming, quieting, and I also love this Badu meditation that's on YouTube. You can just type it in, Erica Badu meditation, and she has like an hour-long meditation. But yeah, like I said, I hope you guys are doing good, staying healthy, staying positive, staying out the way, okay? That's really just like my theme right now. I mean, it's always my theme, is to just be a calm, super calm version of myself, staying focused on what matters, what's important to me, and then also always just being kind, being a light in this world. You don't want to be bringing drama, but just quieting your mind, I feel like can really just change so much. You're starting your day meditating, clearing your mind, not worried about like whatever was going on yesterday, you know, and then doing yoga, things that continue to quiet your mind. You'll start to see that like whatever is being thrown your way throughout the day just won't even hit as much. It won't matter as much. It's just such a great place where it's like everything is just rolling off you, you know. That peace, that like positivity, that quietness is something that I really wish everyone could have. Wouldn't be so focused, you know, on the next person. You would really just cherish yourself, your life, what you have going on. And if you're doing anything for the next person or with the next person, it's helping. But of course, we can't control anyone but ourselves, so just making sure that you're okay and that you focus on what really matters to you, and whatever it is that you need to do to keep yourself okay is really just all that matters. You can't worry about what anybody else has going on. I'm just on this journey to always just like be the best version of myself, whether it's my health, you know, my knowledge, seeking out more knowledge, being kinder, being nicer, reading more. Like, I don't feel good unless there's progression, unless I'm doing things for myself to make myself feel good, to stay positive. You can't let these people break you down. You know, you gotta just really truly have tunnel vision. I'm also gonna bring you guys to Starbucks with me because it's this page that I'm following, I'm obsessed with, and it just shows like all of these new Starbucks drinks and different ways, different things you can ask for, like things you would never even think about. I already love Starbucks, but now I have like a whole new list of drinks I wanna try. When I go, I usually get a passion tea lemonade. I love that. It's like tea and lemonade mixed, and then you can get sweetener with it. So it's like a sweet tea lemonade, kind of like an Arnold Palmer, or of course like a caramel frappuccino, which is like a standard drink. I like the iced macchiatos, those are good. That's really it. And I don't know, I was drinking coffee when I was little, you guys, so I'll get like just a vanilla latte that's super basic. But I'm excited to try all of these new different drinks. I have to find the name of this page for you guys though, because I did want to show this to you all that I'm like obsessed with. Hold on, I gotta find it. Okay, here it is, I found it. So the name of it is Egg Bologna. But it just shows you all of these different like drinks. But is this the one I want to try? I don't know, there's so many I want to try, y'all. But you guys can see like it's just hella Starbucks drinks. So if you like Starbucks like me, that's like a good page to follow. Of course, you're gonna be like in there trying these drinks, but there's a lot of different ones. I've seen a lot of different ones. My latest discovery that I love though was the Simply Lemonade. You just get a regular Simply Lemonade and you put a blue Kool-Aid packet in there and shake it up. It's so bomb, like so bomb. But okay, you guys, I'm about to get ready to go down to the gym now, so I will see you guys in a minute. The venti, what was it? Venti lemonade with raspberry and strawberry acai on top. And I saw in one of the comments someone said it tastes like a crybaby. It's really good. It tastes like the sour gum. Now you got to be a little older to know about these crybabies. And as you guys can see, my bag is like pretty much empty. I love these little things. They're so good. I'm gonna try this out. I hope it's good. I'm about to film a video if you guys see me drinking this in my video. I mentioned to you guys before how much I love incense. I've also burned some incense in a couple of my videos before. And I just love how like relaxing it makes me feel. I love the smell, the different scents. So they're just such a vibe. I also burn sage too, which is like for cleansing your home, setting your intentions. I'll talk more about those in another video. But I showed you guys the Badu incense. These were special edition. I also have some of the originals, but these are my favorite smelling incense ever. They sell out so fast though. Once she drops them on Badu World Market, you have to grab them like within that first hour or two or they're gone. But these were the latest ones I got. I only have a few more left and they were special edition, so I said I'm not gonna be using these anymore. I'm just gonna hold on to these last 3, and then when she drops some more, I'll get some more. This was also from her concert that I went to, live from Badubotron. So she dropped these with that. It was a limited edition like special anniversary incense. And these were a collab with Sonos Radio. So bomb. The packaging was so bomb. But I did show you guys these before. And then I wanted to show you guys these also. This Dracula's Blood. I think you can get these at a lot of different stores. But these smell so good. I wanted to make sure that I showed you guys. And these are huge. Look at how big these are, y'all. Like, I can't even wait. I gotta pick the camera up to show you guys. These are literally gonna burn for forever. These are in Egyptian musk. I also really like sandalwood. So if you guys are looking for some, Egyptian musk really gives you like the essence of that incense smell. So many different kinds. I love the lemongrass scent. But I can't wait to try one of these out. You should definitely go grab you some if you haven't ever had incense and you're into like strong smelling scents, it's just a calming vibe that it gives. So I love them so much. I also decided to grab some candy that I used to love from childhood. Like growing up in Chicago, I would always be going to the candy stores, getting penny candy, chips with cheese, all kind of stuff like that. So Fruities was also some of my favorite candy growing up. It's Crybaby gum. It's really sour. It's like a jawbreaker. And then of course these caramel apple suckers. It's around 80 degrees, so I want to get in the jacuzzi for a little while. I got some wine. Who else put ice cubes in their wine, okay? Love the view out here at night. It's so pretty. Corn here, the potatoes that I'm gonna boil, and then I also want to try it with noodles instead of rice this time. So I'm gonna make these chili shrimp noodles. So I decided to make a seafood boil at home. I've done this a few times before, but I'm using a couple of different ingredients this time around. I'm gonna make my sauce just a little different, and that's what I started with, all of the seasonings, and I add garlic and onion to it as well. I usually use rice, but I'm gonna use noodles this time. I've been seeing that a lot, so I wanna try it out. And I just made everything first. I boiled the corn, boiled the potatoes, and also I like to steam my crab legs. That's the very last thing that I do. You can get these bags, these big oven bags from the grocery store, and I just fill this up with the sauce and everything else that I'm gonna put in the boil, and it was amazing. If you like seafood boils in places like Hot and Juicy and boiling crab, then this is a good at-home, quick way to recreate that. And then of course I talked about how I'm obsessed with these Instagram reels at this point, showing all these different hacks and TikTok hacks and recipes. So one that I really liked was the Simply Lemonade. You just add a blue raspberry packet to it. You want to pour a little of the lemonade out first and then mix it up, and it's so good. If you guys like this vlog and you want more vlogs from me, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.